cytolysis, inflammation and opsonization. These three are complement mediated reactions. So we will see how it is happening. So this is the host cell. Let us see the host cell is an RBC. So on its surface, various host cell antigens will be there which can induce type 2 hypersensitivity reaction. For example, either A blood group antigen or Rh antigen, etc. Or there may be drugs which can be coated on the surface of RBCs. So first what will happen is the respective antibodies, the respective IgG antibodies will come and bind. For example, the anti-A blood group antibody will come and bind here, or maybe the anti-drug antibody will come and bind here. So once the respective antibodies will come and bind, the next thing is the complement come and bind, especially the classical pathway of complement will get activated. The complement will come and bind, that is first C1 will be bound, following which the other complements will be bound, at the end C5 to C9 will be bound. And the first reaction is C5 to C9, you know that it is called as membrane attack complex. It will attack the membrane of the RBC of the target cell, and that lead to complement mediated cytolysis. This is the first mechanism by which the complement will mediate its action. Some of the byproduct of the complement like C3A and C5A, they can induce inflammation. They are anaphylactic in nature. They can induce inflammation. So the second mechanism by which complement can mediate type 2 reaction is by producing inflammation. Third mechanism is complement some byproducts like C3B acts as opsonin. Some of the byproducts of the complement like C3B act as opsonin. So what they do is, these kind of complements, they go and they coat on the surface of the antibody. So this is the antigen to which the antibody is already bound, and the Fc portion of the antibody, this opsonins will go and bind. So when the opsonins are coated on the antigen antibody complexes, following which the phagocytosis is enhanced, which is called as opsonization. Opsonization is nothing but it is enhanced phagocytosis. So the opsonins, the complement byproduct like C3B which act as opsonin, it coats on the antigen antibody complexes, following which the entire host cell uptaken will be enhanced by the phagocyte. So this enhanced phagocytosis is called as opsonization. So these are the three mechanisms by which complement mediated type 2 reaction will take place. Now we will see what are the clinical situations where complement mediated reactions take place. Transfusion reaction. Here the antigens are the A blood group antigen and B blood group antigen, against which the antibodies will be produced. Erythroblastosis fetalis or Rh incompatibility. This occurs in the Rh positive fetus when they are born to Rh negative mother. So here the type 2 reactions will take place against Rh antigens. Next is the various autoimmune hemolytic anemia, agranulocytosis, thrombocytopenia. All these are the various autoimmune disorders where the membrane antigen against which antibodies will be produced. For example, in autoimmune hemolytic anemia, it will be RBC membrane antigens. Agranulocytosis, it will be WBC membrane antigens. And in thrombocytopenia, it is the platelet membrane antigen. So against the membrane antigen, the autoantibodies will be produced. Next is drug-induced hemolytic anemia, where on the RBCs, the drugs will be coated. The classical example is penicillin. So drug-induced hemolytic anemia, here the antigen is the drugs coated on the surface of RBCs. Of course, pemphigus vulgaris is another condition where the autoantibodies are produced against the desmosomal antigens. desmosomes or desmosomal antigens. So this is complement mediated reactions.